So as our firm has continued to grow, we keep looking for additional opportunities to come along. It just so happened that Mr. Mike Cook, one of our project managers here, had done some work for the Denver Public Schools and had also worked with Humphreys Poley on a project for the Denver Public Schools. So we made some phone calls and started to pursue them to see if they'd be interested in working with us on a Denver Public School project. Everything was brand new. We're working with an architect we haven't worked with before. We got some additional information coming in from other sub-consultants. We were going through the DPS standards. It was kind of like drinking from a fire hose there for a little while.
So when I initially got pulled into Park Street Elementary, the timeline was the first thing that, we all kind of had to discuss, because we had about a year to design this school and that the contractor was then going to have about a year to build it.
DPS had a really tight schedule as we're trying to meet the deadline to meet the needs for the community. We had to think about the other engineers and the architect to make sure that everybody was getting their information in a timely manner so they could get theirs back to us so we could all hit our deadline. 360
is in charge of the mechanical and plumbing design, as well as some delegated design for the fire suppression system. I was in charge of the initial load calcs, communicating back our needs to the architect so we can make sure that we're coordinated, and then any other communication with the design team that were key components for all the different disciplines to know, to make sure that we could come up with one cohesive product. We're outside the building now, and the progress just even week to week from this point has been kind of fascinating to watch how quick these guys can work and how many guys are in and out of this building.
Everybody's really happy and everything's gone in, and yeah, it really, as fast as everything went, it has gone smoothly and everything was very well coordinated.
At the end of the day, when it comes down to the final deadline, we were able to pull some people in and just collaborate really well as a team and ultimately provide a good end product for DPS.